Already to give your website a new look with a new name. If you want to change your name, I'm going to show you in this video how you can easily rename your pages on Hostinger Website Builder. So I hope you're going to find this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more if you find this helpful and like this video. So what you're going to have to do here is just go to pages here. So pages and menu, pages and navigation. And then right over here, we have different pages. We can click on here and add a new page. And we can add a new blank empty page, no section on the page, no elements on the page, empty page, or you can add a contact services, a blog, privacy, reference, terms and conditions, or generate a page using AI. Now, once you have a new page, let's say this is a new page blog, right? So if I want to rename this, I can click on the three dots right over here, and then here we have rename. I can click on rename, and now I can rename this page. Okay, just click on rename and you can rename your page from here. So yeah, from here you can rename your page. You can also, if you click on right over here and this, then you go to password, you can click to general and then here rename your page. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.